Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Market Daily Update, Crypto Exposed series, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, link in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, easy profits, learning, technical analysis, and you will be getting an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and sell them. Also, you will get personal guidance every day, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, pine scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. We are waiting for you on our team. And of course, let's start with Bitcoin. I've heard a lot that we have an inverted head and shoulders pattern right here. Okay, so what this should be, let's see. This should be on the left shoulder. Okay, so I'm going actually with the trading view tool so you can realize it better. So if we go here on the patterns right there, you will see the head and shoulders patterns. And what is the inverted right there? This is the left shoulder. Okay, the head, all right, so we made it, and the right shoulder. Here we go. All right, so this should be an inverted head and shoulder pattern, and the price should be going higher if it breaks above this line that we are in right now and go even higher into the next price target. Is that the case? Do we have an inverted head and shoulder pattern? For me, no. Okay, we are going to get higher. However, we do not have an inverted head and shoulder pattern, and the target is not the 60,000 Tether USD. As you can see on Twitter, we have a very strong resistance level at the 46, 47K and 50K Tether USD. Be careful, as you might get trapped into a very situation right there, but at the same time, for the very short term, do not worry about this correction of Bitcoin. I think things are looking very good, fantastic right there, and it holds perfectly good with the stochastic RSI as well. I truly believe that a huge institutional gap will be formed. Anyway, let's start with the risk metrics. And right now you can see that we have a little bit of a lower high on the RSI. Okay, you can see that the price is approaching this area, but at the same time we have a lower high, not a bearish RSI divergence, of course. It is not a bearish RSI divergence, as we didn't have a higher high than before. Okay, we just had the same, actually around there, the same high and a little bit higher low, actually higher high in the price. Okay, so therefore you can see that we do not have a bearish RSI divergence. We do not have a high risk with the commodity channel index. Yes, we had a little bit of the tip of the commodity channel index going into an overbought situation right there, but do not worry about that. Okay, so we have a good amount of risk going on with the risk metrics. We can grow potentially even more. On the short term, we are correcting right now, mainly due to the fact that we had a very high risk with the commodity channel index right here. Okay, I went on to the 4-hour frame. So each candlestick contains 4 hours of price action. And you can see right there why we are correcting. The reason that we go a little bit sideways. Nothing scary as of now for Bitcoin, nothing that we should be considering as of a very huge actually risk that we hold. Okay, but on the weekly frame you can see the opposite, that we are having a fantastic here breakout, and we had an extreme oversold over the last few weeks, over the last few days. You can see the Fisher transform as well. Great oversold situation right there. I want to see where Bitcoin will be going. However, it doesn't look the same breakout as we had back on July, as we had back on October. It looks weaker, and of course we want to see where the price will be going. Eventually, let's go, before we discuss a little bit about Bitcoin's price action, let's go to Ethereum. And Ethereum price prediction rate here, you can see right there what do we have is the 0.618 being a support level, the 3,110 for Ethereum. Okay, so this is our support level. And why did we correct? Because last time, yesterday, we talked about the 3,186 being our most important resistance level, and you can see that right there we found rejection, correcting just a little bit, but I do not believe it will be something very important. We might be correcting more, probably maybe till the 3,000 Tether USD, but at the same time, I truly believe that Ethereum could manage to go even higher. These are some letters that we had actually in the educational videos that we are making into the group. And of course, do not forget to join our monthly subscription before I go to the targets of Ethereum and Bitcoin chart, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. So right here, you can see that we have the 3,100. We can potentially have the 3.4K, 3.455, and many other targets. And I think the most important one, 3.5K for Ethereum. Can we get there? It seems like we can get there. We can possibly be getting even higher. Okay, but let's take it step by step. First, we need to break above the 3,186. As for Bitcoin rate here, what we are going to do and what we want to see is to get past above this resistance level over here, and especially the 44,900. Can we make it? Yes, we can. Okay, we can make it. We can break the 44,900 and possibly be getting even higher. However, right now we have to prove that we have a nice buying pressure, a huge institutional gap where institutions sell onto the next day after a very bullish day, sell, and they make an institutional gap, and then they just rebuy just under the bullish candlestick that we have on the previous day, and they form this gap right here with a lower shadow. Okay, this whole thing right here could be just an institutional gap with a lower shadow, and then today we have a huge buying pressure and go even higher. At the same time though, let's take Bitcoin step by step around here, and let's say that the 44,945 is a very strong resistance level, and we should be breaking, closing actually above first to get into the next price target for Bitcoin as it is. Okay, so for now, Bitcoin will be going even higher. However, right now we are seeing just a sideways movement, nothing special, nothing important to worry as of now. Next price targets for Bitcoin, 47K around there, 47.5 and 48K. Can we go to 50K, Bill? Yes, we can. We can go to 50K. However, we are not in the same position as we were back on July, October. We have a little bit of a more weaker upside movement from Bitcoin, but in overall it is corresponding pretty good. You can see here the sideways movement of Bitcoin, then we had a breakout. Now we are correcting a little bit, but I think that we can manage to have another bullish candlestick up to take the position of the 45,000 and go into the next targets. This will be good for the altcoins as well, and we are going to see them pumping. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.